Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get a web receipt in Cash App. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is actually go into your Cash App, and then right at the bottom you'll be able to see the activity icon. So in the bottom right hand corner, so if we just select this button, and then once we're on this page we can see the activity transactions. So to get a web receipt you just need to simply click on a transaction that has appeared on this list. So I'm just going to click on the completed one, the transaction that shows cancelled. So here we can see we've got the option, we can see it's been cancelled, that's the status. So once we're on this section we've got two options. So you've got the web receipt button right at the bottom, or in the top right hand corner we have three dots, and if we select those then we're going to have more options appear. Okay, here we've got view profile, web receipt, or Cash App support. So here we're just going to select the web receipt button. What this will automatically do is open in your browser and will show as a web receipt. And from here you can either share the link or actually download it to your device. Okay, and that's it. That is how you can get a web receipt on Cash App. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.